Hello children, here your Deepika Miss, your drawing and craft teachers. Today I will teach you drawing. So in the drawing what we will learn, today we will learn with the numbers. So with the fun with the numbers, we'll play with the numbers. So from the numbers we'll make a different creative drawings. So here I hope you all will enjoy this. So let's start here how to do. There is a English numbers 1 to 10 numbers. From 1 to 10 each number to the each number will make something new drawing. Let's start here. So have a look childrens. So fun with the numbers is our topic. So first number is 1. See how with the 1 number what we can make. Have a look childrens. We can make a simple candle by making one more single line. Just join that and one flame. See how it is looking, very simple from the 1 number. Then number 2. What we can make from the number 2? Have a look childrens. Here we can make one duck. Yeah, you can make anything, the water birds like a swan. Simple and easy steps, please follow this. There is a water lines. Then number 3. What we can make from the number 3? Who will guess? Yes, here is one bird. You can say the parrot. See, with a very simple steps, with a very easy lines, you can make a very creative things, creative drawing. Here number 4. What we can make with the number 4? Guess childrens. What is that? Yes, it is a kite. A simple way with the numbers we can make a kite. Then from the number 5. From number 5, what we can make, you have to just think about. From number 5, make very small 5 and crease that lines. There is a big means of course it is something bird, yeah, something like that. So here it is. You can say the rooster, yeah, hen. She is sitting rooster. That top this. See from the number 5, and then from number 6 you can make, like everybody know that Ganesha's face and all, Ganesha's picture, Lord Ganesha, but here I am doing something creative. It is a small and pretty cute squirrel. Do like this, some lines. Everybody know how to draw the numbers. Simple. If you want a big size of, then you have to make a big numbers and draw like this. After 6, 7. From the 7, what here it is? From the 7, here it is a yacht. See, with a simple way, with a simple line. I hope children you will enjoy this when you will make, and you will getting one such a nice idea. yacht. After that, number 8. With number 8, it is, so what will come number 8? Number 8 we can make, everybody know, everybody like that, it is a teddy toys. Make the, follow the instruction, make the face and over the body make one heart shape. Then after that, number 9, from number 9 we can make our, what we can make from 9 also we can make many things, but here I am going to show you our national bird. What is that? It is a peacock. See, then do the details little bit. He is sitting on the branch, tree branch. Like the feathers design. So children, I hope you are liking this. Such a nice, see, like this you can make. Then last not a least, the number 10, from number 10, 1 and 0, simple. From the 0 you can make a ball, then make one more line and make a bat. So there is a number 10, from the number 10, bat and ball. So here's are all that. So I am going to show you again. You can do this all 1 to 10 colorful shading by crayons या watercolor, poster color. Here I am doing, showing you only with that marker. Again that all numbers what we did. Then number 3, yeah, making here, do the there shading. Then with number 4, kite, do this with crayons. It is really fun with the numbers. I hope you all will like this, and everybody will learn, will do this. There's a rooster. There is a squirrel. Do like this shading of the tail. When you will using the colors, it will look more attractive and nice. Here yacht. So children, please try this with learn to 1 to 10 numbers, some new drawing. It will help you whenever you want the birds, yeah, animals, yeah, like this drawing. So you can do with this type, like this numbers. Then last, second last, 9, peacock. This is the bat. You have to give the shed.